Did you raise your hand? Good. So without any question from the media, we are happy. My apologies. Council.
On behalf of the respondents, we appreciate the time that has been expended by this particular committee to hear
the authenticated video. Another order. Evidence presented before this committee be referred to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions to investigate potential offences under the Election Offences Act. If established, the said Honorable David Gĩkaria be prosecuted criminally under the law. Order number 5, that the Honorable David Gĩkaria is hereby condemned to pay a fine of Kenya shillings 2.5 million within 48 hours of this determination. And finally, that failure to comply with these orders will attract further sanctions that will include, but will not be limited to, barring the Honorable David Gĩkaria from participating in any further electoral activity conducted and supervised by this commission.